Today we're going to do a science experiment, which is commonly used actually in the automobile industry to take out dents from cars. And I'm going to use this can, I'm going to dent this can, and then show you how we can remove the dent without doing too much, using a homemade induction heater, which is shown right over here. So here's our induction heater. And right now I've got the heater set up, it's running, it's actually running off of solar power. And we're using the induction heater to heat up this pot of tea here that you can see sitting on it. So now let's dent the can to simulate our dented car. Now I've washed all the acetone out of this, so there shouldn't be any risk of an explosion. And I'm going to just punch it with my fist to dent it. Let's check our tea here. Water's boiling. Here's our can. We're going to stick it right there and try to fix that dent. It's already starting. Did you hear that little click? It's looking better. Anyway, there it is. It's improved to what it was. It's still dented, but much improved. Okay, here's a good dent on this side of the can. I just made that. Let's see how it takes this one out. Let's take our teapot off again. We'll lay the can on top and wait for the dent to come out. Simple as that. It's coming out. Let's check it out. There you go. Very easy. Thanks for watching, folks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for new videos.